Victorian tile floor repairs in Penkhull, Staffordshire. Extensive remedial work on Victorian tile floors, involving the restoration of the screed or concrete used to bed the tiles, is specialist and costly work, and we do not undertake this work. The screed used to bed the tiles is normally very brittle, so tiled floors cannot tolerate any significant deflection without cracking and loose tiles. Replacing loose Victorian tiles. I carefully remove the loose tiles and clean the cement screed. The cement left behind usually has the imprint of the tile backs. I apply a thin layer of adhesive and replace the tiles into the original pattern on the screed. Filling movement cracks. We fill wide grout and grout cracks with cement grout to help stabilize the floor and prevent any part loose tiles from coming loose. On this project I used a dark brown grout to match the brown tiles.